This is Dennis speaking in the Bananas Garden this morning, Friday 2025, guys. Okay, let's come with me to make the short trip around of Mangku Palace, oversight of Samarinda Seberang. Let's come with me. Hey everyone, this is Dennis speaking in the small jungle near of Mangku Palace, guys. So let's come to make a short trip in the small jungle in Samarinda Cross or Samarinda Seberang. Come with me. So today is very good weather. So it's a little warming, but when you are in the jungle, you feel like very nice weather. So if you come to East Kalimantan, landing in Samarinda City, don't forget come to explore before you visit another destination, but landing your time and come to explore the oversight of the river. Meet with Mr. Dennis. I will bring you and make the something exciting trip like I am in the jungle near of Samarinda City. So this is the jungle, guys. Today is very nice weather, guys. I like to trip and make the good experience for today. And maybe 15 minutes we will reach into my garden because I have so tired today. Then I will go to make a rest in my garden. Now I am in my garden after I did a trip. Then I arrived to my garden today, guys. Come and join my daily activities in my garden today. I will show you something plants in my garden. Hi, meet with Mr. Dennis again. I'm still in the garden, guys. Looks, I have already done a little grass, so come with. Hi. See my next video, guys. Thanks for your watching and let's come to join my trip